So it's officially cuffing season, the time when we're inside and ready to be loved up, loved on. Urban Dictionary defines cuffing season as the colder months, usually fall or winter, when new relationships blossom as we enter the cold season. We're looking to cuddle up with our boo, and I think it's within our best interest to look and smell and taste as delicious as possible. So here's a wonderful shower routine that I think you might enjoy. It's pleasant, sweet, and not overpowering. Perfect for fall and perfect for cuffing season. So for this cuffing season routine, I'm going in with sweet and lovely lavender and creamy scented goodies. And first off, I'm starting off with the Billy Bar. The Billy Bar is an exfoliating bar that has scents of lavender and floral tones. It's so good. I absolutely love this bar because it does an amazing job exfoliating. This bar must be used on the skin, not in a rag, because it is buffing away dead skin. And there's nothing worse than having dry, scaly skin when we're looking to be cuffed, okay? So I use this all over my entire body, and the scent is divine. It is so soothing and lovely and bright. And what's awesome about this is I get a 2-in-1. Not only am I exfoliating, but I'm also doing a base cleanse, which is that first round of washing that just gets off all the dirt, any grime, any odor. Perfect. I make sure I get those thighs, hit those knees and elbows that have the tendency to be ashy and dry and scaly. We're super smooth around these parts. And going ahead and rinsing off. Next, I'm going to go in with the Dove exfoliating body polish. This is in the crushed macadamia and rice milk scent. This beautiful body polish has a moderate grit. That means it's more of a buffing. You know when you're like filing your nails and you have the rough side? The rough side was the Billy Bar. This is like the smoother polishing side. So I just mainly use this to just make sure my body is super smooth, and for the scent, it smells so creamy and yummy, and it just goes perfectly with the bar and the rest of the routine that's coming up. These body polishes from Dove are a must try, especially if you have sensitive skin. It is not as harsh as Tree Hut scrubs. They just smooth and buff the body. And hit those feet, because if they end up in like a mouth, then you know they're nice and smooth and soft. Listen, we're all adults here. We all like to do our thing. Just make sure all the body parts are hit. I'm going in with the Tree Hut Tahitian Vanilla Shave Oil. The scent on this is wild, so sexy, beautiful, and soft and floral. I love to use a shave oil to shave with, and I'm going in with the best razor I've ever used. This is the Billy razor. I also have links to these products down below, so if you're interested in anything I'm showing in the video, please check the description box. But the Billy razor is one of the best razors I've ever used, and I go in all directions when I'm shaving my armpits, because I read a long time ago that armpit hairs grow in north, south, east, and west. I also decided to shave my arms because I really wanted to be hairless and extra, because when I'm being touched, I want to be smooth like baby legs. And yes, you are watching me shave my legs in a downward position. I like doing this because I feel like I get more bumps going the other way. So if you're just like me and you experience strawberry legs, go ahead and shave down and then shave up, but don't just start off shaving up. I get the smoothest results this way. Billy razor for the win. The best razor I've ever used. Now I'm gonna go in with my second wash. This is more of the fun wash. This is the Native Body Wash in Tie-Dye Vanilla Cupcake. Decadent, sweet vanilla goodness. And the lather on this Native Body Wash is unmatched. Like, it goes on for days. But it's a decadent treat. It went with the vanillas that are already inside of the routine. I loved it just for scent, for smell, extra washing. We feel good, we smell good. And as you can see, I use the Eco Tools body brush. I love using that to wash my body. Since I've started using that, I've used nothing else but that brush. All layering on that scent. It's a good feeling. And what would a cuffing season routine be without some downstairs care? I personally like to use Vagisil when it's that night. I don't use it every day, but on those nights, okay, I want to make sure she smells good, she feels good, she's pH balanced, so it's lovely. Smells so good. That's the lilac scent. And this is something I've been doing very recently because once again, you never know where your feet might end up. Okay. I like to go ahead and scrub my feet whenever I get a chance. Usually the days that I'm exfoliating is the days I'm also scrubbing my feet, because if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. And doing a light buff throughout the week, just casually, it keeps your feet soft, because it's really easy to get dry, cracked feet in the winter. So my layering for cool weather cuffing season has been starting off with a body oil, and this is Dr. Teal's melatonin oil. I have been in absolute love with this thing. It smells divine. It is a beautiful lavender scent that just complements this vanilla routine so well. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Hit those feet. What oiling the body does is it allows the other scents to just stick on and stay forever. It makes your skin super hydrated, especially when it's on damp skin. And it just makes you look and feel so soft and glowy. If you are not using oils in your shower routine, I highly suggest you do. Now here's a newbie to my collection, and I'm so happy I finally found it. This is the Method Body Coconut and Rice Milk Body Lotion. The wash is super popular. I found the lotion and the scent. It smells just like the Tree Hut Tahitian Vanilla body products. If you've ever smelled it, it smells just like that, and it is gorgeous. It feels amazing, especially layered on top of that body oil. So imagine a lavender and sweet creamy vanilla mix. No one will be able to keep their hands off you. I'm gonna do my skincare. I love using Cetaphil on my sensitive skin. I found it to give me the clearest and most pristine skin I've ever had, because I'm sensitive and I'm prone to getting hives and textured skin. Texture-free skin with Cetaphil. And of course you gotta brush the teeth, and I focus on brushing my tongue because that's what holds all the bad breath. No bad kissing over here. Clean pink tongue, pretty pink tongue, okay? And I dry my face with a paper towel. It's super sanitary and always ready to go. I'm gonna hit up my face with a little glycolic acid. This is by Saturday Skin. And I focus on my T-zone, especially my nose, which is prone to comedones and whiteheads. I like to hit my lips, make sure they're super smooth, my chin, a bit of the cheek areas, and my forehead. Just a T-zone because I don't want to dry out my skin. This is the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Serum. This has been a staple in my skincare routine, especially in the cooler weather. And it acts like a lotion, but because it's hyaluronic, it's a serum. I love it. And to top it all off, this is the Ordinary Squalane oil. Squalane is a very light plant-based oil. This is super affordable. You can find it at Sephora, The Ordinary. This is for that glazed donut look. I want my face to match my body. We're shiny, we're glowy, we're sweet, we're soft, we're supple. Look at the skin. Look at the skin. Top off those beautifully exfoliated lips with some Aquaphor, the best lip product if you ask me. And I also like to put some on my eyelashes. It acts as like natural mascara. It kind of defines and separates them because when you get to sweating later on, you don't really want to deal with makeup and smudging. So that's a good little way to fake mascara. I'm going in with the Secret Dry Spray Deodorant. This smells like vanilla ice cream. As you can see, it's a very lavender and vanilla routine. It's super soothing, but so nose friendly. And for my fragrance of the night, classic. This is Ariana Grande Cloud. The scent notes are amazing. There's lavender, marshmallow. It's woodsy, it's sexy, it's sweet, delicious, perfectly complements the Method and the Dr. Teal's body oil. I just feel like a goddess and I'm ready for cuffing season. If you're booed up, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you're planning to get booed up, let me know where you're looking. All my single ladies, you don't need a man to complete yourself and you don't need a man to do this routine. Cuff yourself, okay? But for those who are looking to have a beautiful night, this routine might hit the spot. Highly recommend you try it. The scent combination is bomb. You have a beautiful and safe cuffing season, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.